Good morning, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Also, if you haven't done our courses, head over to TRADERCOBB.com. There's a free course there. Check it out. It's called Become a Trader. We also have a paid course called Become a Master course, and in that course you'll receive our 3 checklist-based trading strategies. And another point before we get started is yesterday we started rolling out our Discord community, so we're moving from Slack to Discord. If you are in the Slack community and you haven't checked the messages in Slack, I suggest you do. There's a link in there. Come over, join us on our Discord server, and check out the new features that we've got. It's going to be really good. We are aiming to move everyone over before the end of this week, and eventually get all our public users in there as well. So yeah, if you are watching and you're a public user, you don't have a current subscription, then keep an eye out for your emails. Good morning, Bobby. Hope you're well. Bitcoin. So yeah, not too much to talk about, if I'm honest. The daily is looking quite miserable after a huge sell-off, back down to this support level. 4 hour isn't telling us much either. It did look quite bullish yesterday, but as I said in the description, we tend to spend several hours climbing up and then just reverse that entire move in an hour or two. So yeah, look at that. It's yeah, tough for trading out there. If you are trading to the long side, I would suggest taking your profits at maybe 1-to-1. But it all depends on your trading plan, just because we are seeing this sell-off so drastically all the time. We saw it here where we climbed back up and then bang, sold off, climbed up, sold off, climbed up, sold off. It's just, yeah, choppy market conditions. So at the moment there isn't really anything there on Bitcoin for me. I'd love to see it move higher, break out of, say, this level here. It doesn't hold too much value, but a break higher of that level would be good. Failing that, if we do move lower, we need to break this level. So yeah, bit of a waiting game on Bitcoin. Ethereum looks pretty bad on the daily time frame. If we look lower, the 4 hours beginning to trend. Now this is one that did catch my eye this morning. We do have a higher high and a higher low, higher high. Pulling back, the moving averages look good. So the 2 hours, what I was watching, it does look to be getting a little bit too big right now. But if you're that way inclined, it could be an option in an hour's time. So it is convergent as well. So yeah, Ethereum not looking too bad, but if you don't trade against the daily time frame, then it's probably not an option for you. Alchemix. Let's have a look at the daily first. Yeah, bit of a messy trend on the daily. 4 hour. Yeah, a little bit sideways, but there was a level I was watching through here. Now, I know we only focus on the cradle strategies throughout these YouTube videos. So a break and a retest of this level is what I'm after. The cyclicity isn't the best, but it always pays to throw levels in like this, just in case we do see some buying or some trends forming. We do have those levels there, and I love when a level backs up my trades. Bobby, you caught audio on a breakout and CVX cradle. Not sure if they were the best trades, but woke up to a 1-to-1. Oh, that's awesome. So you woke up to a 1-to-1. So good on you. It's, yeah, pretty hard to catch 1-to-1 trades during market conditions like this, but it is possible. Algo is another one that I'm watching. It's got a nice level through here. We do have 3 touches, but for a cradle trade to play out, we do need a break and a retest of that level. So we do need to see some buying. Ampleforth is another one. I think the 4 hour might look better on this. Well, we do have a trend forming. Moving averages need a little bit more work to do, but we've got a level through there. A break and a retest of that is what I'm after. Exchange burp, another one with 3 nice touches along here. If we go to the 2, it might be a little bit more evident. There we go. So yeah, break and retest of that on exchange perp, but if you do know what a breakout is, then this could potentially be an option for us. Gala, now Gala, I was really hoping for a nice, maybe a little bit of a deeper pullback onto this level, a wick down below, and then a close above. It's getting a little bit too big now, but Gala is also an option for those willing to trade to the long side at the moment. The 4 hour doesn't look too bad, and the moving averages are good. The daily, well, the daily looks like every other daily out there at the moment. It's just very messy, but Gala is there. Yeah, for sure, but we send those through. Send through your trades for some feedback to myself or Lou, and we'd be happy to do that. Moonbeam. That's what we're watching there. A nice level through there. Let's have a look at the daily. Daily's in a downtrend. So if we do see a break of that level for a cradle trade, we do need a break and a retest of that level. So yeah, nice solid level through there. That's what we're watching. And XMR, another one, nice level through here. Let's have a look higher. Looks like it could be trending. Again, it's not really a good trend. It's sort of from high to low. Forming a lower high. We need a break of this low before it's really considered a strong trend. But there's a level there. I'll be watching that throughout the day to see if we get a break. But in choppy market conditions like this, we do tend to see levels like this respected. They tend to break and then just bounce back up. So it makes it really hard for breakout trades. But you know, that's why I'm more inclined to wait for a break and retest. We need confirmation of a break at that level, a pullback, and then almost another confirmation of a rejection of that level. So that's what I'll be watching for. But if you're not trading at the moment, well, don't feel like you're missing out on anything. Okay, so you just thought that was good. Yeah. Slack groups have been a little bit quiet today. Given the market conditions, that's what happens. So when the market does pick up, we'll see a lot more action. But I know I think you're in Discord. So yeah, feel free to reach out to us on Discord. Pretty excited about it. It's a really good platform. Our guy Luke has done a really good job with that. So if you do jump in, give him a shout out and tell him that he's done a great job. But for now, I'll be keeping an eye on this list. I'll post this in Discord as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or send in those trades and I'll get back to you. Thanks, guys.